Encountered an LWA file with no clear application to open it? This is an uncommon extension lacking widespread documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through identifying these mystery LWA files. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest LWA files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. LWA files are uncommon files without widely published format specifications. They may originate from specialized software custom applications or proprietary data systems. Determining the source application is critical for proper opening and handling of these unfamiliar file types. Without documentation, LWA files require investigation to identify their format. They may contain text data, binary structures, or compressed content. Hex header analysis combined with file signature databases helps determine the underlying format and originating application. The guiding principle for opening LWA is to use HXD from Errors. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows sees the file but cannot interpret it, so external tools are mandatory. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your LWA file and click Open With. Test with HXD first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. If your LWA file still refuses to open, stay calm. We've got this under control. If the LWA file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here is a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, investigating file origin. Check where the LWA file came from, including email attachments, download sources, or related files in the same folder. The Windows Properties dialog may reveal metadata clues about the originating program. Context from surrounding files often points to the source application. Next, examining file contents. Open the LWA file in HXD Hex Editor or Notepad++ Text Editor to examine its structure. Readable text suggests text-based formats, while binary patterns may match known signatures. Compare the first bytes against file signature databases for format identification. Finally, trying universal viewers. Use FileViewer Plus or similar universal viewers that support hundreds of formats. These applications often identify and display obscure file types automatically. If unsuccessful, contact the file sender for information about the originating application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.